If you've been looking for that home, a single story, today I'm going to give you a tour of a New Braunfels, Texas home, single story, about 2,300 square feet, in the low $300,000 range. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. If you'd like to know more about this community, I am in the community of Gatehouse here in New Braunfels, Texas. So let's go and show you this home. This is a newly built home here in the community of Gatehouse. It's still on its way. They are making some more space for more homes on the other side. Also a community amenity center with a swimming pool. So when this neighborhood is completely completed, it will be a nice little area. It is right off of Hunter Road, off the 306, and so as we walk in, there is a long hallway that will take us all the way into the kitchen and dining area. We do have to the left, we have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Again, this home is currently the asking price is $324,999, which is a great price for here in New Braunfels, especially on a 2,300 square foot single story. So again, 2 bedrooms, full bathroom, tile back walls in the showers. This is a stick vinyl flooring. Then as we make back to the hallway, we will go to what is the 2-car garage. This home does come with a garage door opener. It is a tankless water heater as well. This community is a gas community, so you will have a gas stove. This bedroom is a full bedroom with its own private bathroom and walk-in closet. And on top of that, a very small linen closet here in the center as well. So quite large of a bedroom for this. So if you have someone that is, that needs a private bathroom, this is a great home to start with. All right, going further down into the hallway, we have what is a flex room. We could, you could use this maybe as an office, maybe a little TV room. I know I've seen some use this as maybe as a dining area as well, but that is considered a flex room. And then as we make ourselves into what is the main area, kitchen, living room, and dining room, and you see the front door down at the end. All LED lights. There are no fans or any pendants coming there. That is something that this builder here does not do on these homes, which is unfortunate, especially as they get into this price point. If you are looking for a home in that low 300,000, there are other options as well. And so feel free, give me a call, send me a text. I would be happy to help you out with that information. This home here does have, with these quartz countertops, as I mentioned, you have a gas stove, dishwasher, microwave, and a fairly large pantry here at the end. These homes do come with the mini blinds, 2-inch mini blinds. And then this one here has a covered patio in the back with a light, with actually a couple of lights. Fairly large yard. And then to the primary bedroom. Here you will find another small linen closet. And then going in to what is the primary bedroom with a large shower, dual sinks, and a fairly large walk-in closet. So for $324,999, it is a quite large home. It is, like I mentioned, off of Hunter Road. This community will have a swimming pool and an amenity center. As of right now, that has not been started yet. So as those usually get built and they start being available to the community, these homes tend to go a little faster then. Right now, obviously they're just in their first phase. This community started about a year ago, and so they've got quite a bit of homes already into the main streets, a couple, I would say about 3 or 4 streets that are fully built out. So if you want more information regarding this home, feel free, give me a call, send me a text. I'll leave my phone number in the description below. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.